My top three trading tips. Tip one, find your strategy and schedule match. The first step towards successful trading is finding a strategy that fits your schedule and the timeframes in which you can trade. It's about being realistic and finding an approach that suits your lifestyle and personal preferences. Tip two, keep a trade journal. One of the most underrated habits in trading is keeping a detailed journal of your trades. This helps you learn from your mistakes and successes, identify patterns, and improve your strategy over time. A well maintained trading journal can be the key to continuous growth and improvement. Tip 3, be patient. Trading can be a test of patience, especially when the market doesn't develop as expected. It's important to understand that success doesn't come overnight and to have realistic expectations. Trust your strategy and don't let emotions like fear and greed drive your decisions. Patience is a virtue that rewards in the world of trading. Whether you're an experienced trader or just starting, remember that these tips can be crucial for your success in the market. Share your own thoughts and experiences in the comments below. Let's help each other grow and achieve our goals.